Hi, hello guys. Today we're gonna try to do one of the main tricks that I've been developing. So is how to place a light, a hanging light out of a joist. On some of the projects, interior design projects, they want hanging lights directly into a joist, and the joist is not a host item, right? So really quickly, I got this project done. So I'm gonna go to my ceiling plan, right? Ceiling plan level 1 on the project browser right here, right? I have the project already done. And I'm gonna create a ceiling, right? That's really, I'm gonna go to the architectural tab. I'm gonna create a ceiling. I can go for the automatic ceiling, right? And I'm gonna get it done there, right? Okay. Next thing that I need to do is actually place a light. So I'm gonna go to my insert tab, and then from there, right, the insert tab, and I'm gonna go to look for content, right? Even the generating content is good. On the lighting folder, right, I got this uh, suspended ceiling light around here, right? This pendant light, this one can be good, right? Any pendant light is good. This one here, I'm gonna load it, right? And I'm gonna go to architecture, I'm gonna go to component, or I can make the shortcut CM. So I'm gonna get this, and I got my pendant light, and I'm gonna place it on the ceiling. I'm gonna have to do some rotation, so I need to click on the item. Then I need to go automatically. It's gonna go after an item is selected. It goes to the modify. So I'm gonna rotate it, right? So I'm gonna set up here an axis. Okay, remember this is Revit 2026. So it's a little bit different, right? A little bit different. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do on my level 1, architectural level 1, I'm gonna switch for a little bit, and I'm gonna create a section, right here, or on the view tab, right? I'm gonna create a section, got it? And I'm gonna create a section right here, got it? And I'm gonna see how my work is developing. So I got the ceiling, and I got the ceiling light, right? So what I'm gonna do, well, one thing, I can move the light, and also I'm gonna move the ceiling, right? That way is just to model this thing, right? Let's put this one under fine detail, right? So we can see the joist properly. So I'm gonna go and try to get this one as close as possible to the joist around there, right? And I'm gonna go to my ceiling plan. Whoops, not this one, right? This one here, right? This one here. And I'm gonna go here, use the almighty tab key, select the ceiling, edit the boundary, right? And I'm gonna squeeze the ceiling up to where my light needs to be. Okay, this is the main trick. Okay, kind of like we call them the trick of the trade. So I'm gonna squeeze this ceiling. Okay, I only need a little pad of ceiling. Believe it or not, that little piece there, right? Finish it, and I can go to my section just to finalize this one a little bit. Grab the ceiling, use the arrow keys so you can bring this one up to here, right? This one is gonna be unnoticeable, right? This is a little trick. There's no way you're gonna be able to host the light on the joist. Okay, there's no way. Got it? So we need to use a host, doing like a little patch there, right? So then on my ceiling, ceiling plan, I'm gonna be able to see this. I don't see, right? I don't see the other joist here, but I can use my 3D view. I can use the top view, right? I will be able to see this, right? I can grab the item and I can hide it below the joist. Got it? Even this one I'm gonna have to modify it, right? Let's do that thing. Okay. So if it's not, we're gonna mess up the render for a little bit, right? There we go. Finish it up, right? Then we have this item hidden. So guess what? Here, right? Copy, right? And we can use like the center line of the joist. Let's keep 1 or 2 joists, right? Repeat this, okay? Repeat this one, okay? I think we're good. And then grab those lights, make another copy, let's say from here to the middle of the project, straight it up, and then last one here. There we go. And let's check on the section, right? Let's check on the section. Okay, our section, and this one is going to look a little bit like this. Okay, we can grab this ceiling and we can lower it down a little bit. Okay, remember, it's just for the render. Nobody's going to notice. Nobody's going to know this. You cannot pull this one down. Okay, so you need to pull the ceiling. Got it? Okay, and I'm only doing it on one. Okay, and I repeated that thing 3 times. So I'm going to have to align a little bit this one and align again the third one. Okay, same thing here, right? Okay, this one I'm gonna move this one. No, this one is like this. Okay, I was checking this side. Okay, and don't get me wrong. Okay, then I can use the align command and use this line and then this one and align the third one there, right? And I think we're good on this one, right? And guess what? Your interior render with your hanging lights is gonna look similar to this. Got it? Okay, this one doesn't have a roof yet. Okay, and I'm spreading too much the render, right? So I'm gonna cut it out over here. Let's put this one into realistic so we can see how the lights are hanging out of the joist directly. Got it? Super neat, super good, super amazing, right? Let's put it on shaded. There we go. Got it? Consistent colors to see this. Okay, lot better, right? Nobody's gonna notice those little small things. Okay, it needs to be really, really picky eyes to get that. So how to hang a ceiling, right? Ceiling light out of a joist. Okay, here you go. There we go. Rincon Beam Consulting. Like and subscribe.